exactly paranoid about germs, but I do like to minimize my exposure to them, as I'm sure most of you do as well. And although I've always been careful not to wear shoes and boots inside the house. I mean, if you live in the city and you walk on the sidewalk, you know that there's like horrible things that we can step into. I won't mention them all, okay? But just to name a few, like there's spit and there's vomit, there's doggy poo-poo, and there's pee. Like, it's really gross. So I've taken to doing a little bit of extra germ prevention with using 70% alcohol. You can buy this at your pharmacy, and you just make sure you aim it the right way. Spray the bottom sole of the shoe or boot. Make sure it's all covered, and then just leave it on its side to dry, and then it feels a lot fresher. Don't have to worry about it. And if you can't get this, because a lot of pharmacies are now out of the 70% alcohol, you could just make up a mixture like I did, using water and a tablespoon or two of bleach. Now, I do have about 3 of the exact same containers like this. Bought them at the dollar store. So to be sure not to accidentally use this on, my plants or whatever, I've tied a little ribbon around here, and I've also written the words bleach water on here, so that like I said, don't accidentally want to use it on my plants, or if I'm spraying shirts before I iron them. So this works too. And you may be wondering, okay, so why is she wearing these gloves? Well, I bought these little cotton gloves at the pharmacy also. Here's the little package they were in. And what I do is I take them with me to the grocery store, and then when I, hold the handle, like, not all grocery stores wipe the handles of the grocery carts after every customer, of course. So it just makes me feel better when I'm pushing the cart or holding onto the basket, that, I'm not putting my hands on other people's germs. I mean, these are not normal times, so it's not like I'm going to keep doing this forever and ever, but just a little extra caution. And then when I get home, I just wash them just like I would if I was washing my hands. Soap and water, rinse them in hot water, hang them up to dry, and all set to go again. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day and be well. Take care. Bye.